Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest advancements in technology and how they're revolutionizing various industries. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: barcode systems. In this video, we'll dive deep into how barcode systems are streamlining processes and boosting efficiency in the manufacturing sector. Before we delve into the specifics, let's start with a brief introduction to barcode systems. Barcode systems are a method of automatic identification and data capture that uses a series of parallel lines, numbers, and patterns, known as barcodes, to store and retrieve data. These barcodes are scanned using a barcode reader, which translates the information into a readable format for computers and other devices. Now, let's talk about how barcode systems are transforming the manufacturing industry. Barcodes play a crucial role in managing and tracking inventory, improving accuracy, and optimizing production processes. They provide manufacturers with real-time visibility into their supply chains, allowing for better control and more informed decision-making. One of the key areas where barcode systems streamline processes is inventory management. By attaching unique barcodes to each product or component, manufacturers can accurately track the movement of items throughout the entire production and distribution chain. Barcode scanners enable quick and error-free data entry, reducing the chances of manual mistakes and minimizing inventory discrepancies. Another significant benefit of barcode systems in manufacturing is enhanced traceability. With barcodes, manufacturers can easily trace a product's journey from the raw material stage to the finished goods. This traceability enables better quality control, regulatory compliance, and recall management. In case of any issues or defects, manufacturers can swiftly identify and isolate affected products, minimizing potential risks. Barcode systems also contribute to optimizing work-in-process (WIP) operations. By implementing barcode scanning at various production stages, manufacturers can monitor and track the progress of each unit in real time. This data allows them to identify bottlenecks, streamline workflows, and improve overall production efficiency. Additionally, barcode systems enable accurate and efficient job tracking, reducing downtime and enhancing productivity. Data collection and analysis are essential for making informed decisions in manufacturing. Barcode systems generate a wealth of data that can be leveraged to identify trends, spot inefficiencies, and drive process improvements. By integrating barcode systems with enterprise resource planning (ERP) or manufacturing execution systems (MES), manufacturers can extract actionable insights, optimize resource allocation, and boost operational efficiency. To illustrate the real-world impact of barcode systems in manufacturing, let's take a look at a case study. XYZ Manufacturing, a leading automotive parts manufacturer, implemented barcode systems throughout its operations. They experienced a significant reduction in inventory errors, improved order accuracy, and streamlined their production processes. As a result, they achieved a substantial increase in productivity and customer satisfaction. In conclusion, barcode systems are revolutionizing the manufacturing industry by streamlining processes and boosting efficiency. From inventory management to work-in-process optimization and enhanced traceability, barcodes play a pivotal role in driving operational excellence. As technology continues to advance, we can expect barcode systems to evolve further and empower manufacturers to achieve new levels of productivity and competitiveness. That's all for today's video. If you found this information useful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.